So I'm back. And in the words of Mariah and Braylon, did you miss me? Because I know they're watching these videos because they're spectacular people, usually spectacular people. Watch my videos. So, three problems left. Kindle. Do y'all know there are three Kindles in Miss Adonato's um, six block class? Kindle Page, Kindle Read, and Kindle Jones. I mean, who does that? Why? I don't understand. Just a random fact. Okay. Kendall transformed the transformation, transformation. Gosh, I'm tired. Okay, transform the equation, blah, blah, into the simpler form as shown, blah, 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 blah. Which statement is true? So in this problem, you have to, well, she didn't distribute because you can see that 5x and 4x was combined to make 9x, and then 9x minus 15. And then over here, she has 1 and 4 to combine to make 5. So she's correct there. All right, she's good right there. Then she distribute this. It looks like that's what she was trying to do. So take a third of 9 and you get 3. Take a third of 15 and you get 5, and she kept that the same, so she did that right there correct. And then right here, it looks like she should be doing the opposite, right? Slide to the left, slide to the right. So she should be um, subtracting 3x from both sides. Um, and when you come over here and subtract 3x, those 3x's are gone. That's what it looks like she's doing. That's why she got 0 here, because 3x minus 3x is 0. And then 3x minus 3x is 0 here. But then she came over here and said, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Well, y'all, she got the 5 here. She didn't subtract 5, but she didn't come over here and subtract 5. So this should be minus 5, which is negative 5 is equal to 0. In these problems, y'all, just solve the problem out. Like if you get the right thing, she did it right. So here you're just like, I don't know what she's talking about. Well, how about you go over here and do 3x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 5. Now, I taught you if you see the same variables both sides, you cancel them out. And so majority of you all will remember that negative 5 is equal to 5. Cancel them out. Same variable, same number, everything. Cancel them out. If not, then slide to the left, slide to the right, crisscross. You cancel 0, you cancel 10. Okay? So some of y'all be like, what, we didn't get the same? Because she did it a different way. Okay? So that's the problem. And even in this problem, if she's saying she's subtracting 5, it should be subtracting 5 on both sides. If not, then she should be adding 5 to both sides, and that's the other thing that she could have done. Um, but it's wrong. The answer is no solution. All right, then let me spend more time. It's 3 minutes. I'm sorry, taking up your life. Okay, consider the equation. I'm gonna tell y'all right now on the test. There's a equation on the problem an equation on the test that has decimals in it. Who cares if it has a decimal in it? Nobody cares. You have a calculator. Use your calculator. And I'm gonna run out of room. Who cares? All right, we're pretending like I continue the road over there. All right, let's do this math right here. I don't care if it has a decimal. Who cares if it has a decimal? Somebody care about a decimal? Just solve the problem. Do it the right way. 2b minus 10 plus 14 is equal to, come on with this big, thick pen. Just overweight. Lose some, y'all saw how you lost weight. I'm tired. Minus 3b. Must have ran a mile real quick. All right, I'm done. Okay, let's make sure I'm doing my math right. So I'm in over here tripping. Okay, so now what do? We combine like terms. So 2b and plus 4 is equal to 2b minus 24. Use my shortcut, y'all. Or slide to the left. It doesn't matter. I'm using my shortcut. No solution, sir, ma'am. All right. Now this problem, y'all, please pay attention. So, a 2-mile taxi ride costs $3.90. A 5-mile ride in the same taxi costs $7.50. If X represents the miles driven and Y represents the cost in dollars, which linear equation models the cost of the taxi? I'm gonna tell y'all now, they're not gonna give you this information all the time, right? So if you see something costs this and something costs that, set them up as order pairs. You are not gonna see that information all the time. I'm telling y'all right now. You're not gonna see it right now. Right now. You're not gonna see it every time. So if the taxi It's two 2 miles and costs $3.90. And then the other one, 5 miles, costs $7.50. What are we supposed to do with this problem? Well, we're supposed to find the slope of the equation, and none of these slopes are the same, so this is going to make this easy. So 750 minus 390, or 390. I said that funny. 5 minus 2, and so 750 minus 390, 390. That hit me typing in my calculator because I'm tired. I feel like crunching numbers in my head. 3.6 over 5 minus 2 is 3. Did I do this right? It looks like it. 750 minus 390. So why did I circled the wrong answer? Jeez, Mr. O'Neil, get your life. So 1.2, clearly there's only one with 1.2. Oh no, I didn't. Trying to get me. They almost got me, y'all. They almost got me. Oh my gosh, they almost got me, y'all. That 1.2 goes with the X. They almost got me. You see they almost got me? They almost got me. So both of these problems could have been right. Oh gosh, that means we have to go in here and find the y-intercept. Gosh, I don't feel like doing all of that. Oh well, that's how y'all talk. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I think it's gonna erase. No, it's not gonna erase everything. All right, so it's 1.2, and then we pick a point. Pick the first point. 2, 390, 390. And m is 1.2, and this is x and this is y, and so I get 3.9 is equal to 1.2 times 2 plus b, and then 1.2 is that's 2.4, and subtract 2.4, and I end up with 1.5. They try to trick us, y'all. They almost got me. They didn't get me the first time though. You know what I'm saying? All right, and that's the equation. All right, so hopefully the last video was great. Let's see if who's gonna watch the video. So to everyone, let me think of something that I can do that can qualify you for some extra credit or some candy or something. Um, so between the hours of 8 and 8:30, if you send me a remind that says this: I think you're the greatest teacher, and this has to be in all caps, Mr. O apostrophe Neal, with three all this extraness tonight, 3 exclamation marks, I will give you a 5 point slip. Now it has to be between the hours of 8 and 8:30 a.m. It will stop then. So anybody that's watching this in the morning, too bad for you. I'm done. All right. So go on and be great with your bad self. I tell y'all I appreciate and love all of y'all. I do so much. So much. Okay, I'm out of here. Have a great life.